Okay, so number 5 has several missing terms. So 5. I'm going to do a -6 up here. And I've got 1 into the 4th, no into the thirds, 0 into the thirds. It actually only has one gap. -36 in squareds, -8 into the first, -40 into the 0. Bring this down and I'm ready to start. So -6 times 1 is -6. Add and I get -6. -6 times -6 is +36. Add and I get 0. -6 times 0 is 0. Add and I get -8. And -6 times -8 is 48. Add and I get +8. So I've got remainders all over the place here. So constant term, x to the first, x to the second, x to the third. I've got x to the third minus 6x squared plus no x's minus 8 plus 8 over x plus 6. Again, it was n's, but I'm okay if you change it to x's. Now let me point out, looking at the problem, the original problem was into the 4th, and I'm treating it like it's x to the 4th. Keep in mind that your final answer should kind of make sense in terms of if I start out with x to the 4th and I divide out x to the 1st, because that's what's happening here. I'm dividing x to the 4th by x to the 1st plus 6. I should end up with x to the 3rd. If you started out with 4 x's and you took one of them out, you should end up with 3. So it needs to make sense that way. Can I erase? Yes. Right here? Because the actual problem said into the 4th minus 36n squared minus 8n minus 40. There was no into the 3rd at all. If you start out with into the 4th, you have to go down to the 3rd first, and then the 2nd, and then the 1st, and then 0. Okay, it has to go in order. All right, number 6. Dividing by v minus 2. So v to the 4th, so that's 1v to the 4th, negative 10v to the 3rd, 18v to the 2nd, negative 14v, and 16. Bring this down. 2 times 1 is 2. Add and I get negative 8. 2 times negative 8 is 16 negative, sorry. Add and I get 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Add and I get negative 10. And 2 times negative 10 is negative 20. Add and I get negative 4. So once again, I have a remainder. This is x to the 0, x to the 1st, x to the 2nd, x to the 3rd. So I have 1, and actually it's v's, so I'm going to think about it this time. 1v to the 3rd minus 8v squared plus 2v minus 10 plus negative 4 over v minus 2. And that's my answer.